Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, we are again back with the various openings from these MNCs, out of which two are from KPMG, two are from Amazon, and other positions from Siemens, Accenture, American Express and Reliance. So before discussing about these positions, if you want these informative job videos to be shared to a possible number of people, please do like the video after watching, which means your one like is indirectly going to help many other graduates who are actually looking for these kind of career opportunities. So now let's see what's the position from Siemens. So guys, we have a very good opportunity from Siemens for both freshers and experienced for graduate trainee engineer role for Bangalore location, for which you can expect around a 4 to 5 lakh per annum for this role. So now let's quickly get into other job details as well. And also it's a full-time opportunity from Siemens, so it's not any contract-based job. So guys, coming to your eligibility criteria, all BTech students from 2022 and 2023 batch from mechanical and electrical branch are eligible to apply for this role. So no other branch can apply for this role except mechanical and electrical. And also if you have any relevant experience, then also you're good to apply for this role. So coming to your skill set, you should have a very good conceptual understanding of all engineering fundamentals, HVAC and mechanical system, and you should be able to read or interpret electrical circuit diagrams. And you should have a very good knowledge on Microsoft Office and AutoCAD. And you should be able to understand all the customer requirements and their queries and resolve their issues on time. So that's about your skill set. So coming to your role, so in this role, you are expected to work with the sales team in order to understand all the process specifications and thereby meet the needs of the customer. Also, you have to design the systems based on the system type, which includes a mechanical system layouts, electrical drawings, valve and damper schedule layout and control panel layouts. So you should be able to identify all the hardware and logic requirements for the system, and then you have to follow up with the sales management team in order to make sure about the job scope and specifications. So guys, that's about your skill set and role for this role from Siemens. So if you are interested in this role, just apply as soon as possible, and if you have any further queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section so that I can help you out. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, today we have a very good position from American Express company for data analyst role for both freshers and experienced for Gugan location, and you can expect around a 10 lakh per annum for a fresher and up to a 30 lakh per annum for experienced. So now let's quickly get into other job details as well. So coming to your eligibility criteria, all MBA graduates earn a master's degree in machine learning, computer science, statistics or related fields from top tier institutes from 2022 and 23 batch are eligible to apply for this role. And you should not have any active backlogs while appearing for this interview process, and also you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience of up to 3 years, then also you're good to apply for this role, but you should have experience in large language models or big data work streams. So coming to your skill set, you should have a hands-on model development or a validation experience as an experienced candidate, should have a good analytical skills and a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So coming to your technical skill set, you should have a knowledge in at least one of these programming languages like Python, R and Java and Gen AI or machine learning and artificial intelligence. So you should be expert in coding as it is a data analyst role, and also you should have good knowledge on all this transfer learning, neural models, a decision trees, reinforcement learning, graphical models, a Gaussian process, Bayesian models and map reduce techniques, a random forest, gradient boosting and deep learning and other text mining algorithms. So just grab some knowledge on all these concepts, as this is a data analyst role for which you really require some good analytical skills. And also guys, the company is really going to provide a good benefits like a competitive base salaries, so which you can expect around a 10 lakh per annum for a fresher, and bonus incentives, and also it's going to provide a good support like financial support for your well-being and your post retirement, and it's providing good health insurance and life insurance, which includes a dental and vision as well. So you'll have to work in a hybrid model, like 3 days work from office and 2 days work from home, and also you'll get all paid paternal leave policies. So it's really providing a good benefits, and you'll have to participate in a career development and training opportunities. So guys, that's a very quick information about this data analyst role from American Express company for both freshers and experienced. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity as it is a very good position. So apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's again a good opportunity from Reliance for both freshers and experienced for graduate engineer trainee position. And you'll get posted in a Mumbai location once you get selected for this position. And also you can expect around 4 lakh per annum for this role for a fresher. So coming to your eligibility criteria, so all engineering graduates like from any stream from 2022 and 2023 batch are eligible to apply for this role, and also maybe 2021 batch can give it a try for this role, and you should have at least a 60% of aggregate throughout your academics. So any stream from BE and BTech like from engineering graduates are eligible to apply for this role. So coming to your skill set, so you should have a good exposure on a refining and petrochemical process, and you should be aware of all these technologies like SAP, Mobility, SharePoint and Java, and you should be able to understand all the sales and product management for polymer, rubber and textile business, and you should be aware of all equipment related concepts. So that's about your skill set. So guys, if you are an experienced candidate, just make sure that you meet all these abilities mentioned here. So either you can apply it as a fresher, or even if you have an earlier experience of up to 2 years, then also you're good to apply for this role. So coming to your role, so you are expected to work in operations, maintenance, information technology and techno-commercial role like based on the business requirement. And once your training is completed, you should be working independently on all the assigned tasks. And so for that, you should develop a good understanding of operations, maintenance, computer science and new business initiatives. And also you have to attend a various meetings of operations and maintenance in order to make yourself stay updated with all the market needs. So guys, that's a very quick information about this graduate engineer trainee position for both freshers and experienced from Reliance. So if you have any further queries in filling these details, just let me know in comment section so that I can help you out. So just apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have a very good role from Amazon, which is a quality specialist role for both freshers and experienced, and for which you can expect up to a 3.5 lakh per annum for this role, which is a very decent package as this is a non-technical job. And coming to your eligibility criteria, so all bachelor's degree students in a quantitative or technical field, which is computer science, engineering and statistics, which means all BTech students and statistics and science graduates are eligible to apply for this role from 2021, 22 and 23 batch. So you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written, and it's good if you have a good experience with Excel tools and good command over SQL queries. So coming to like your work location, you'll get posted in Hyderabad location once you get selected for this position. So coming to your role, so your primary responsibilities for this role includes a troubleshooting, diagnosing and fixing all static root issues, developing a mounting solutions, and you'll have to update and track on resolve all the technical challenges whichever are there. And also you'll have to work towards enhancing a software project's current tools and automation support. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role from Amazon. Just don't miss this opportunity as this is a non-technical role, and also they're going to offer a very decent package for this role for both freshers and experienced, which can be from 3.5 to 6 lakh per annum. So apply it as soon as possible before this position is filled. So now let's see what's the other role. So guys, it's a service desk management application tech support practitioner role from Accenture for all experienced candidates for Bangalore location. So you can expect up to a 5 lakh per annum for this role based on your experience. So getting into other job details. So all bachelor's degree like BE, BTech and BCA and BSc graduates with a good technical knowledge are eligible to apply for this role. And also it's good if you have some technical certification, so which will help you to shortlist your profile quickly. And also you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So guys, you have to work in a 24 by 7 support role where you mostly have to work in a night shifts as per your project requirement. It's like a 5 days working per week with a 2 weekly offs based on the roster. So which may vary every week. And good thing here is that you'll be paid a shift allowances of around 5 to 10k per month in addition to your monthly salary, as you'll have to work in a rotational shifts. So you should be able to respond to all the customer queries and their incidents either through a voice or emails or chat systems based on the requirement, so for which good communication skills are required. And also you are required to resolve these technical issues like a password reset, account unlock, and 365 like outlook issues and all other hardware and software related issues. So based on your user request, you'll have to solve these kind of technical issues, for which you have to raise an incident and follow with the incident and then finally provide the resolution. So guys, in order to solve these kind of regular issues like password reset, account unlock, you'll be given some standard documents by your seniors to which you can refer easily and solve. So guys, also you should have a minimum of 1 to 2.5 years of experience in order to apply for this role. So just make sure you have all the eligibility criteria. So if you are interested in this role, just click on apply now and apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's an analyst role from KPMG for both freshers and experienced, and it's for Google location, for which you can expect up to a 4 lakh per annum for this role. So coming quickly to your eligibility criteria. So all a bachelor's degree students with no active backlogs and with a good academic result are eligible to apply for this role from 2022 and 23 batch. So either you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience of up to 2 years, then also you're good to apply for this role. And it's good if you have a previous experience in all big four firms. So that's about your eligibility criteria. So coming to your skill set, so here nothing there much mentioned about your technical skill set. It's all like you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written. But it's good if you have some good technical knowledge as well, like in any of the programming languages. And coming to your role, so you should have a good connect with the onshore team and attend all the weekly meetings and calls with your onshore stakeholders. And you should be able to provide a regular updates on work pipeline discussions and with your onshore teams to the entire team. And provide you should be able to manage all the tasks related to the client engagement setup. So nothing much about your role. So if you are interested in this role, just apply for this role as soon as possible before the position is filled. And now let's see one more position from KPMG. So guys, it's an associate RMS ERSOS role from KPMG for both freshers and experienced again, and it's for Bangalore location. So let's quickly see what will be your eligibility criteria for this role. So all postgraduate students like MBA and MCOM students from accredited college or university are eligible to apply for this role. And even if you have a earlier experience of up to 2 years, then also you're good to apply for this role. So coming to your technical skill set, you should have a good knowledge on audit and risk management, and it's good if you are a professional with the Microsoft Office applications like a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. And it's good if you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So nothing much they mentioned about other skill sets. So guys, if you are interested in this role, just apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. And also it's good if you have some technical knowledge as well, like on some programming languages like Java and Python. So guys, just apply it as soon as possible before the position is filled. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have one more position from Amazon, which is a permanent work from home for shipping and delivery support role, for which they're going to offer around up to 4 lakh per annum for this role based on your experience. And they're going to hire this role from Hyderabad, and it's a permanent work from home. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity. as it is a non-technical role and as it is a work from home. So now let's quickly get into other job details as well. So guys, we have around 200 openings for this position, and your hiring office is in Hyderabad, and 2.25 to 4 lakh per annum they're going to offer for this role, and it's a permanent work from home. So they're also going to provide your overtime and night shift allowances, which can be around a 5 to 10k per month in addition to your monthly salary, and internet allowances and Sodexo meal pass and good health insurance. So coming to your eligibility criteria, any graduate is eligible to apply for this role, and even a 12th pass can apply for this role. You should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written, and you should be familiar with Windows 7, Microsoft Outlook and Internet Explorer, and a good typing skills. So guys, if you are interested in this role, which is a permanent work from home, you can just give your assessment right away by clicking the link below, and make sure that you give your assessment from laptop and not mobile phone, with a good internet connection, and you should have a good headphone and good microphone while giving this assessment. So I'll be giving this link in the description so that you can give your assessment right away, and if you have qualified this role, you can receive a further communication from Amazon for further steps. So that's a quick information about this role from Amazon. So guys, that's a very quick information about these various roles from these MNCs. So if you are eligible in any of these roles, just apply as soon as possible before they expire, and you can also refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs which are still open in our channel. So please do check those as well according to the playlist, and apply as soon as possible before they get expired. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.